Contamination caused by condensation is a major concern for the protein and food processing industry. Safely removing condensation has been prioritized by government regulators. The CMT1 by thesuper.com is a new cleaning tool used in tandem with the super polymer sponge to more effectively remove moisture on contact. Condensation-based food contamination occurs when warm air is introduced into refrigerated environments. When warm, moist air is introduced into the area, condensation forms on the surface of walls, ceilings, pipes, and equipment. Condensation on unsanitized surfaces can contribute to the spread of food-borne pathogens. Condensation can come from the hot air of an oven or from the opening of doors letting in warm air. Even the process of cleaning can leave moisture in unwanted areas, resulting in costly delays releasing plants for production. The CMT1 is a new cleaning tool for condensation removal at protein and food processing plants. It's specifically designed to be used in production environments and paired with the superpolymer sponge and a telescopic handle for use on high elevation areas. These sponges wick moisture, absorbing non-contact. They are currently used by poultry plants and the medical and clean room industries to clean and dry surfaces and to control moisture contamination. This new tool provides industry with a way to meet the challenges of food contamination aggravated by condensation. Please come see us at IPPE booth B37040.